Hi, my name is Maria. In this video, we cover key concepts for anchoring your torch project in space. You'll have a general idea on how lighting affects computer vision, why do we want to find a surface, and how it is visualized. Finally, why the world anchor is called world anchor. The world anchor sits in the middle of your augmented reality project. It has a zero value by x, y, and z coordinates. Before you drop the world anchor, you must find a surface. This area will be highlighted by colored dots. Remember how you were trying to take a picture of the dark sky and it looked awesome in your head, but your phone camera just couldn't pull it off? It's because camera needs a lot more light to see things compared to the human eye. Make sure your space is bright and evenly lit, preferably in the daytime. Sometimes you want to set the world anchor on a desk. But what if you can't find a desk surface so easily with a torch? Majority of desks are white. White reflects the most, causing overexposure in some parts of your desk. Meanwhile, other parts remain dark. The camera is trying its best to recognize more than 50 shades of white. In case I can't find a surface, I do this trick. I put a book or a magazine on the top of a desk and it always immediately finds it. Simply add any texture or contrast to enhance computer vision. Normally, the first surface that torch finds is the floor plane. It's highlighted in blue. It's very easy to confuse it with the table plane because there is no occlusion happening yet, meaning the blue dots are not hidden behind the table as we would expect in a real world. Notice that orange dots are bigger than blue because table surface is closer to you in space. In most 3D softwares, there are concepts similar to World Anchor. It has different names: World Origin, Scene Origin, Session Origin, Absolute Center, World Anchor, and Spatial Anchor. Sometimes it doesn't have a name at all. There is no unified terminology, but it is the same concept. All of those usually means that X, Y, and Z have zero values. The World Anchor torch has always zero values on all three axes, and it is the beginning of the scene. You can get hands-on with these ideas in augmented reality with this Getting Started guide, which will show you how to set up the world anchor in Torch. Scan this QR code with iOS camera app. Enjoy! Bye!